We've prepared 8 essential tips that will save you time and help you avoid common mistakes. Tip 1. Select and deselect carefully. Always select the teeth where you want to add one or more treatments. Once you finish, click Remove Selection to deselect before moving on to another tooth. This prevents adding treatments by mistake. Tip 2. Remove a mistake quickly. If you accidentally added a treatment to one or more teeth, simply click the eye with a /hide treatment icon to remove it. Tip 3. Clear all treatments at once. To erase all treatments applied to one or several teeth, select the teeth and click the tooth icon. Tip 4. Select a full arch in one click. Need to propose a full arch restoration? Use the up teeth or low teeth icon to select all upper or all lower teeth at once. Adjust as needed, for example. Deselect specific teeth where you want Pontics. Add implants or abutments to the remaining selected teeth. Tip 5. Use up-low range to save time. Instead of selecting teeth one by one, select a continuous range. If no teeth are currently selected, click the tooth at the far right. Pick the tooth at the far left. Click up range or low range icon. All teeth between the two will be selected automatically, ideal for bridges or multiple adjacent crowns. Tip 6. Create multiple treatment proposals. If you want to present 2 or 3 options for your patient, follow these steps. Step 1. Create the patient's current situation, for example, missing teeth, teeth to be extracted, etc. Step 2. To add a treatment plan, click plus Add Treatment Plan and select Current Situation. A new plan will be created. Repeat this step if you want to add more plans. Step 3. Navigate between each plan and build a different treatment option for each one. Tip 7. Always deselect before preview or print. If you forget to deselect teeth before showing the 3D view or generating the preview/print, all selected teeth will be excluded from the animation and proposal. They'll be considered as already treated. Tip 8. Save the file with an ID code. We are not a management software and do not store patient details. Instead, we suggest using an ID code as a reference to help you easily locate the relevant treatment later.